we're gonna open up these 3 different makeup organizers I got and see which one is the best and which one helps us organize and actually holds the most. I didn't really think about needing to put this together into a million pieces, so you guys don't have to worry about it. So it would have been super helpful if this came with instructions. It did not, and the little graphic they have on the Amazon page or whatever is not enough. I just had to take this whole thing apart because I did it wrong and cut my hand open, and my hands are numb now, which is super annoying. We'll let you know what's the best. I buy all this stuff with my own money, so I give an honest review about it. What a pain in the butt. I'm gonna have to redo the other 7-piece one. They are some of the best reviewed makeup organizers on Amazon. I was gonna see how easy or difficult they are to put together. So figure out then where you are gonna want these shelves with your products, because you're not gonna wanna have to unhook these when you have the O-rings on them. That's gonna be a pain in the butt to move them. Crazy amounts of reviews on them. I'm so over this thing. I don't know how it has 65,000 reviews. They were a little bit fancy, like a crystal cut. How is nobody talking about how these things are so super annoying to put on? But they were all about the same price. I think they were all under $30 because I'm ADHD, and if I can't see it, it doesn't exist to me. So I need to have all my makeup out where I can see it so I can actually use it. Double, if not triple, with this on the top height-wise. We'll see how long this takes us. And there's no instructions, so hopefully it just snaps together. I would have gladly played double not to put this thing together. Both of these instructions suck. So this is the top, and it has all the different sections in it. So this is the bottom part that turns. There is no instructions, and nope, no instructions in this box. I guess I need to look at the picture to figure out how to put it together. And I did cut my finger open, but they pretty much are exactly the same, except this one has just a fancier edge. Sneaky, sneaky. Hopefully this one is easier to put together than the other one. Oh, I already see instructions, so that's exciting. All right, so here's the top of this one. So kudos to this company for putting a little mini instruction manual in there. These are a little bit narrower. That's the base that spins. So this one gives you instructions, so thank you. Thank you for that. And be prepared, they're gonna fly. So this is why it's important for them to put instructions in here. You slide it through the holes, and then you put the O-rings on the other side. Now that makes sense. And then you're gonna put the O-rings on the outside of the tabs like this. They should put that as the first step. And these can only fit in a certain way too. You see there's like a little indent here. Oh, it needs to go into the bottom like that. So just on one side of each of the shelves to hold them in place. So decide first, and then put the rest of your O-rings on to secure it in place once you know that's where you want it. They make it sound like you can move these around so easily, but if you hook them with these rubber hooks, then no, you have to take it all apart, because then it's like locked in there. And then you're gonna take the top and put it on. And then these kind of like stick up out of those little areas, so you won't get as much room with them with the tab in there. So size comparison, this one compared to this one is a little bit narrower and just slightly shorter though. I feel like this one just feels like it's bigger because it has like this design on it, but this one has like a much more minimal like profile on it. You're gonna take this piece, slide it in here, put it on its side, then you're gonna take these super tiny annoying O-rings and put them on the tabs like this to hold it in place. So if you have long nails like I do, this is a pain in the butt, so find somebody to help you. And these O-rings are not very straight, so I'm already not super excited about this. So you're gonna slide these pieces together to create the base. This is the third one. I'm already over these. But now that I'm a pro at putting these together, this one shouldn't take as long. I'm trying to figure out, it doesn't really seem like there's a size difference. These ones just have the crystal cut edges on them, and this one doesn't. So these ones have like a deeper shelf next to each other. I thought they were going to be much different. And this one is supposed to be 7 layers. And this one is supposed to be 8 layers. So they're like the same height and the same width. Oh, they have the exact same top and storage in them. So this is what I have all my makeup and stuff in right now. And obviously this is a lot bigger and can hold a lot more. But it's going to take up about the same counter space. This one is a little bit wider, but it's so much higher. So I can fit so much more stuff in there.